Hello, Mr. and classmates, I guess. Today I'll be talking about the sum function in Microsoft Excel. For this, we're going to open this document that I created that is a clear example of sum function. I want to add all these values. That's basically what the sum function do. The sum function is one of the math and trig functions, and its function is to add values. You can add individual values, you can add cell references, or even ranges. You can even mix all of them and sum them together. For doing this, I want to find the total, right? Summing all of these values. There are two ways to do it. The first way is the short one. Going here in the Formula tab, click on Math and Trig, selecting the sum function right here. And now that we're here, it opens this screen. Here you can simply select all the cells that you want to sum. It will display the result here. That was it. You have the total now. Now, once you've done this, the second way and the long way, you want to click on this. You can simply write an equal sign, write sum, open a parenthesis, and select all the cells that you want to sum. Press enter and the result will be displayed right here. Now, if we click in here, we can see the sum and the function and the formula bar. You can see the formula right here. And that was basically it. So, if you enjoyed it, mister, please give me 100, I guess. Thank you so much for your attention, and goodbye.